Alright guys, welcome to another video on electronic repairs. If you're new to this channel, just a brief introduction. We record all videos of every problem that comes into the shop, and today we have the PS4. Please subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and I'll be posting more of these videos. So to dive right in, we have the PS4, which I've been getting a lot in, and this one problem here, this PS4 had a 1 terabyte. These HGST hard drives, for some reason they fail a lot, and I believe it's due to the quality of this drive. I believe it to be one of the worst drives. Why? The Sony PlayStation is always Sony's 10 years ahead of us in their technology. But when it comes to hard drives, they're not going to get a real good drive because it's going to cost the company more. That's my theory. So they get these cheap drives, and I have another one here. This one's actually a better drive. It's a Seagate. I'll be testing this. But this one right here actually failed the software here that I'm running. Now I'm running the Western Digital diagnostic. I've seen this work for every hard drive that I use to test. It tells you the serial number of the drive, etc. And this one actually failed. So right now I'm going to be testing this one. This is the Seagate 1 terabyte. Before any PS4 comes in with any issues with software, this one had the software was kind of like, the game was actually loading really slowly. It will take forever to load. So I automatically tested this on this program, and it actually said it failed. I'm going to be taking this one, which is another PS4, and I'm going to be connecting it to a laptop running, Windows Hiren's Boot City. That's another video, but this software is actually free if you go to Hiren's Boot City and you put a search on it. I actually put it on a USB here, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to close this up. I'm going to open it again. WD Data Lifeguard Diagnostics. You can actually get this on the Western Digital website. I think you could download it for free. Actually, it is free. You just got to Google WD Data Lifeguard Diagnosis. Now, Seagate has its own. I've been successful on running, this diagnostic for Seagate drives also. So if you guys have a comment on that, please leave it in the description. I mean, we learn every day with each other, and in the comments, it's always a lot of good people out there that are techie, savvy, and actually put in some good input. So let me go ahead and run this, and I'll show you automatically as soon as I connected it. The serial numbers there. You can look at the hard drive itself, and you can see that the serial number does match exactly like the one on the hard drive that I'm using. So it's a 1 terabyte. It says here it passed. The other one that I chose automatically failed. But this one, we're going to do a double click, and we're just going to run a full test. I'm going to do the quick test first. The reason why I do the quick test first, it takes around 3 minutes to check. And if it passes, I'll do the extended, which is a little longer. But let me go ahead and hit that. There you go. Please close all the programs. And there you have it. I'm going to test this. If it failed, then I know that I have to get a new drive. And right there we have the new drive. So this 1 terabyte is testing right now. It's going to take, it says 2 minutes, but I believe that this usually takes around 2 hours. So it's going to check for smart tests. It's going to do error checks and all that. So full-blown test. I believe if you have a mechanical drive right now, update it to a solid state. Samsung 1 terabyte is 119, 134, something like that. Definitely is faster. But if we go here, I'm actually at the Sony website's page. I'm downloading the reinstallation operating system for the PS4. And once I install the new drive on the hard drive, the first PS4 that I'm working on, I will be able to load up the system, the operating system on it, and go from there. So, quick video, guys. I just want to show you what I'm doing. Most of these things are on YouTube. Taking out the hard drive, you guys could probably search for a YouTube video on that. You can see that this one has stickers on it with apples. I'm not sure why that is. It's a Sony product, but take a look at these videos and subscribe. Hit that little bell notification. That way, every time I throw a new video out there, you guys will get a how do you call that? You'll get a notification on that. So please support the channel. Not asking for any money, but if you can subscribe, I'm trying to reach 100,000. We're going to be working on network stuff. We're going to be fixing Macs. We're going to be installing IP cameras. I'm going to show you guys everything that I know. This is good money. I mean, I make a lot of money, and that's going to be another video we're going to be talking about on how much money can you really make doing these repairs. I personally do not like fixing PS4s. I mean, I believe nowadays you can get the same one for around $250. So if you're gonna spend $150 to repair it, it's up to you. You'll save $100. You can get this PS4 with a controller, I believe, for around $250. So it's up to you guys. If you do have a mechanical drive, update to a solid state drive. I'll explain it more in other videos. Please subscribe and support the channel. See you guys in the next video.